Hi, just want to give you an introduction to week two, January 15th to 22nd. Um, you can see here that the chapter two is on hardware and software. We're going to cover hardware this week. So what you need to do for homework assignments here is one, you want to review the lecture that I put together. Remember, there's a Quizlet of chapter two key terms. And also posted a video, as you can see below, the video on the lecture. But I posted 3 videos. I think they were PBS videos, probably not quite sure when they were done, but I've used these in Introduction to Operating Systems. It has a neat history of how hardware and software have emerged from the very beginning into the industry it is today. So if you're looking for a brief history as to what happened, how did we get what we got here today as far as information systems, or at least as far as hardware and software is concerned, take a look at those 3 videos. Let me know what you think. Assignments this week, I got a critical thinking exercise. Just submit your answers to review 1 and 2 and the critical. So there's 4 questions you're going to be answering and the reflection journal. I think that is it for this week. Let me take one more last look. That is it. So hope you enjoy the week and talk to you later. Bye-bye.